And now to disturbing revelations following a government probe into operations at Medihill Hospital in Eldoret. Investigators have flagged suspicious activities suggesting possible organ trafficking linked to kidney and liver transplants at the facility. Now, the findings have triggered calls for the multi-agency investigation into transplant procedures across the country, amid concerns that foreign patients are flying in, receiving kidneys and leaving, while local donors there are lured into the trade for financial gain. Gatete Njoroge has the details.
We meet a frail Amon Kipruto walking slowly beside his mother on their way to Moi Referral Hospital for a routine checkup, a journey filled with uncertainty as his fragile condition offers no clear end in sight. At just 23 years old, Kipruto is battling complications stemming from a kidney donation. His ordeal began when a group of men lured him with promises of quick wealth in exchange for one of his kidneys, a decision that has since left him fighting for his life.
Nilikuwa nimekataa, and then kuna siku nikaanza ni kusota, kuwa broke, and sina anything kabisa. Nikifanya kitu hata sina anything, nikabidi niwapigie, nikamaliza ile deal ikoje.
With Kipruto now family in their grip, the group arranged for his visit to a health facility within Eldoret City. There, he lost a kidney but walked away with just over $500,000 shillings, unaware of the long-term cost his body will soon begin to pay.
Nilifanywa operation at Medihill. They removed my kidney, but nilikuwa nimekubali. I agree with them that they will pay me on my 600 and they pay me through a person called Mohammed. Ilikuwa deal. Nilienda hata nikafanya kila kitu huko Medihill. I agree and I sign huko.
Sadly, Kipruto never got the chance to enjoy his newfound wealth. No sooner had he returned home than complications began to set in, marking the beginning of a painful and uncertain journey.
Nilienda kuona mama na ndugu yangu mdogo akaniambia mtoto ametolewa kidney, enda muone. Kufika, nikamfika kama anatema pofu na ako weak. Jirani alikaniambia alikuwa amefaint na akampea maziwa.
I regret because I have always kept my mother. Nimepea mamangu a hard time. Yeah. And then nimeipisha my family.